Right, the Micromax Asia Cup T20. It's coming to you live from the Sher-e Bangla National Stadium in Mirpur. Shikhar Dhawan hadn't quite recovered, but talk us through this. Khurram, Sharjeel, Hafiz, but
Afridi needs to strike as a batsman to lend a better balance to the 11.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's play.
Let's play in his understated way. When Shikhar Dhawan did it was very different. First ball, Ashish Nehra, Mohammad Hafiz. And good swing in straight away, VVS.
Yeah, that's been the strength.
And that could be the first boundary for Pakistan. Through the blade of Mohammad Hafiz.
Sumptuous. Really was a delightful drive, square through the onside. I think your next job is a more important one.
Oh, was there an edge? He's walking. That's the first. Good bounce for Ashish Nehra. VVS Lakshman was talking about how he's giving Dhoni the wickets he needed at the top of the order. And Pakistan 4 for 1. The ball took the pad as it passed. Right, he's gone through the first big bludgeon shot of the day. He's set himself up. Right, Sharjeel. This is Jasprit Bumrah. Oh, it's a good shot that. Powerful through the onside, but hit really straight.
The electric. Sharjeel Khan.
Oh, it's taken. This is a tremendous comeback by Jasprit Bumrah. This is what Ramesh was referring to a little while back. See off this new ball. India have struck not once but twice with it now. Sharjeel Khan, after a couple of good shots, has gone for just 7. It seems the bounce again was a brave ball to bowl. Oh, it's a good shot. Just got a bit of wit.
There's a great example of that. Little pause from the striker.
Such a big shot. Oh, it's gone through him. Now can they take a second here? Shoaib Malik calls the younger man back. Very athletic and fit, Shoaib.
Was 142 and the one got him out was 110.
The ball gone up in appeal. Not out, says the umpire. Dhoni was up straight away. Ashish Nehra didn't even feel the need to appeal. He was charging down, claiming the wicket.
Now what happened? Have a listen. There's clearly a sound, clearly a glove there. Full house here, but I think he's misread that one. He's absolutely misread that one, the umpire.
Missed 2 overs. He's only going to bowl 1 after this one. Fine down the leg side for 4. He's a canny player, this Shoaib Malik.
Whether that's the right thing to do or not. But I think the umpire did warn Virat Kohli, hence the reaction from MS.
Ball again for a long time, so you can see them out. No trouble at the non-strikers, then direct hit and there's a run out. Virat Kohli, what a fielder. There wasn't a run there. I just wonder if Shoaib Malik is called and sent him back. Pakistan and Khurram Mansoor's gone for 10. It's 32 for 3.
Super piece of feeling from Virat Kohli. Sohail Madabi, Shoaib Malik. The Pakistani batting lineup.
Why is it wicket number 4? Yes, it is. Huge wicket. Shoaib Malik, the most experienced T20 batsman in that Pakistani side, has to go. MS Dhoni. Shoaib Malik gone for 4. It's 35 for 4. New batsman in. Oh, that could be close. Yuvraj Singh gets a wicket in the very first delivery of the over. Huge wicket. Yuvraj Singh brought into the attack. Does the trick. 35 for 5. Umar Akmal gone for 3. At that well.
That's hit behind point. That's gone away for 4.
Well hit there, but these two guys have got to make a big score. They really do. It's up to these two guys getting a partnership. They're looking for 2, and they're in a bit of trouble. Oh, is he gone? Oh my word! What is happening here in Dhaka?
Oh, he's gone. He is gone. Goes for 2. Glove speed is not going to let that one go.
thought Dhoni gave him a wave goodbye there to the skipper.
That's spaced in the gap. No, got Jadeja there. He wants it to Riaz. Oh, three at the wrong end. I don't know whether any of the fielders called for the right end there.
There's a lot of hesitation. This has got to stop. This is schoolboy stuff, really.
And before Ashwin.
It's a quicker delivery and gone. The finger is raised. Another one bites the dust. Well, he was looking to hit it hard. And the fans are disappointed. What is happening? Casualty is Wahab Riaz, gone for 4.
Well, if he missed.
Oh, that's delicate. That's subtle and beautifully done. Made good use of the pace of the ball, and Jadeja just a little bit stunned. Out of the skins really to get there. Big shot into the gap. He likes that area. Muscles it into the fence.
Oh, yes!
Well, here's another one. Batting so well was Sarfaraz. Just about to tell you what a calm head he's got on his shoulders. And Sarfaraz is gone to Jadeja. Absolute biggie. Sarfaraz. We say Virat Kohli was excellent as well with that run out. Right, he's connected on that one and connected well enough. One bounce for 4, and Mohammad Sami has straight away changed his approach to playing the slider. Oh, it's missed everything. These are the cheap runs. India held on to the reins of this match really well, and that's suddenly 9 runs. That's a big bonus. Right, now that is where the ball has gone, exactly where the fielder was moved. Raina completes the catch. He moved it exactly the previous ball. Pandya has delivered the ball the captain's asked of him, and Sami has played the shot the captain wanted the Pakistan batsman to play straight into the hands of Suresh Raina. Thought he'd take a chance with the bouncer, gone for it.
Completely outdone Pakistan in all formats of the game. And that is an absolute jaffa. And what an innings that was for this young man. Pandya, 3 wickets.
And Pakistan bowled out for 83, not even playing their entire quota of 20 overs.
So unfortunately goes for 1. Pakistani fans, just look away please, because right away Hafiz for 4, Ashwin did as well. 3 wickets to Pandya for 8. It was the pick up. Well, there you have it, a very good performance by India. They need 84 runs to win from 120 balls. So here we go folks, first ball, Mohammad Amir. Oh, that's worth the shout. That's got to be really close. Oh, my dearie. Oh, they can't believe that's out. Why? Well, I thought that is just plum. Did he hit it? Shade Afridi asking, why isn't it out, sir? Look, this looked absolutely dead. Did he hit it? Oh. Hit him right on the toe. The only question mark is that did he hit him just outside the line? A swing here for Amir. Good pace. Oh, and there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it. Oh, that's the start the Pakistanis wanted. Wow, that's all happening here, VVS.
Rohit Sharma, the man in form. What a start.
In runs straight away. What a start here for the Pakistanis. Now let's have a look at here. Pitch is on. Oh, you just have to give that. Might have just got outside the line, but I thought it was out. Oh, that's worth a shout too. That's worth a shout too. There's another one. Oh, the green team. Pakistan, 2 big wickets.
It's not over as yet. Goes without bothering the scorer.
Mohammad Amir. Oh, beauty. Oh, the crowd now. They're on the edge of their seats here.
7 clicks an hour, and let's have a look at that again. Impact now was well within the stumps.
Elation. What an over. What a start for Pakistan. It's 2 for 2. A little work work on the leg side, the experience there showing. Looking for two, and that's the soft. Wahab Riaz. So, Suresh Raina. Oh, there's good running, good backing up. You're quite happy to get off the mark as well. Oh, there's a shout again. Is he? Oh, it's happening here. Let me tell you, did he get an edge on it? No, he didn't. Outside off stump. Now, let's have a look what Hawkeye says. Oh, yep. Just hitting the spigot in the barrel of the bale. In the air. Oh, there's number three. Oh, there's number three. Pakistan are back in this game.
It's all happening here. Suresh Raina.
Well, Suresh Raina goes for one. Can he get it full and straight? Oh, my word. How has that not hit the stumps? That is a courageous leave. What can he do here? Oh, magnificent shot. Yuvraj. First boundary of the innings. Must break these two experienced pair up. Oh, that's a wonderful, what we call a sniff. Oh, he's bouncing, and that is gone miles over the top of the wicket-keeper. Nice and straight. Outside edge, and oh, where's that second slip? That's for sure. Again, beautifully played.
Oh, what was that? That's the umpire.
Don't hit him. He's just given you 2 LBWs. Why would you do that? He's thrown the ball straight into the umpire's caught it right on the shin. He's just given you 2 LBWs. What are you doing?
Having a laugh as well.
Well, we've got to start to wear pads and thigh pads, the umpires now. Trying to change up the line. Beautifully bowled again. On a wonderful line of length. Terrific over. It's 20 for 3. Oh, he's just not there, is he? He's nipping around, and I just wonder, trying to hit the top of off. Better length. That's where he needs to bowl. Right there, and just be patient.
So Amir will bowl the 4th after all. It's a big call from the captain to bowl out.
Chairman Ajinkya Rahane. Oh, was in the air. It's just those little things that you need as a side.
So one from Yuvraj a little while ago. Now this one from Virat Kohli. Still a slip in the gully. Oh, that is the shot of the day. The shot, call it what you will. This is gorgeous. This is the kind of shot you see and you stand up and forget what you're doing.
Wonderfully coming into that spearhead role of Pakistan.
Oh, put down. And will go for 4. Did it go to ground first though? But he certainly had Virat Kohli in trouble there. Batting 18. Shot for 4. Just a little bit of width. Gee, Virat Kohli is bouncing on those. Ball from a straight spinner. And that's in the gap too. Tell you what, we were going gaga over Mohammad Amir's bowling about half an hour ago.
Have pressure on you and on the team.
And that's in the gap as well. Gee, it's almost like he chose it. This is the over that finishes it all.
There, Adelaide 90, not out in just 55 balls, 59 in Melbourne in 33 balls, and Sydney 50 of just 36 balls. Then risk.
And now the left-hander. Every one of them, they just come in and bowl quick. What do they say in Pakistan? Pace is pace here. Comes back Wahab Riaz. Round the wicket. Oh dear, no ball. So Yuvraj gets to play the free hit. First over for 15, he starts with a no ball. I think he'll go short. Neither. Got away with it. He got away with it.
Well, that through point for 4.
No, he thought there was more bounce on it. There wasn't. Sami. Oh, that's what they want more of. Kohli's confidence dragging him into playing that shot. Enjoyed some wonderful cricket. That's in the gap too. And will run away for 4. When I said wonderful cricket, that's what I meant.
It was bowler friendly.
Now Yuvraj. Oh, playing a miss as well. Still flirting with possibility here, Pakistan. No ball. Once again, Yuvraj gets to play the free hit. Oh, he's helping his partner, isn't he?
To look to hoik it away on the leg side now. So if he's starting to set up there, well, let him have one. If I was Irfan, sniff him. Give him one at his head.
Doesn't matter. As it turns out, it falls well short of the fielder. With Kohli at the other end was saying, go for it, go for it.
How did it happen then?
Wow. We keep showing that on drive as its area of strength. Is there a better player of the cover drive at the moment?
Length to him.
Oh, it's still something in there. Still spicing it up. His ship from the storm into calm waters. I think there's a bit of an inside edge on that. Up goes the finger! I thought I heard a second sound. Virat Kohli is distraught, but he'll still have to go. He's 49. He'll look back at the end of his career and say, of all the many innings I played, I'll remember this one with great warmth.
So what a knock. 49 from just 51 balls. Definitely got an edge. 2 sounds. Did hit him high. It showed him the bat as well. He can't believe he's been given out. He's got a smile on his face.
Oh, there's an edge, and taken. Another one goes. This 8 needed, but Pakistan keep chipping away. Mohammad Sami gets another.
Anyway, Pandya goes for a duck.
The rest.
Yeah, I do my own fielding myself in contest.
That there is no doubt. Smashes that. Once again, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is there at the end. And India complete a famous win, winning by 5 wickets over Pakistan after the bowlers had set it up with 83. And Virat Kohli's 49 steered India home on a pitch that was treacherous to start off with and grew friendlier as it went along. About those. Got to admit too that it's not a lot of rancor on the field. That was very good to see actually. Virat Kohli and Mohammad Amir has come out and said that if Amir hadn't had the break, he'd have been among the top 2 or 3 bowlers in the world.
That started really well, put in Pakistan to bat. MS Dhoni winning the toss, getting Pakistan all out for 83 in reply, 85 for 5.